On Monday, the 31st of January 2022, North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum, in a word with reporters on the blast that had taken place on Sunday evening at Police Bazaar, Shillong, condemned the cowardly act of those involved in the crime. While inspecting the area which falls under his constituency, Nongrum said that such incidents should not take place as this only disturbs the day-to-day activities of the general public.
As yesterday, IED blast taken place. I don't know who's responsible for this. Maybe it is the actual group who had been stake claim, or maybe individual person who are involved. But the police should do their own job, as we have full faith in police department and the police and the government as well. They should be alarmed and they should be more careful in day-to-day. In future, like we are expecting for peace and harmony in the state. So we should not allow such thing happen, because this will affect the day-to-day activities of general public. And I appeal that whosoever respond for this incident, they should come out as a man, and the way they act, it was truly and purely inhuman, and we should condemn by all citizens of the state. And I feel that this act of atrocity is an act of cowardice, and I believe that this incident in near future should stop at once, and they should come out as a real man and talk and express what are their wants or demand or grievances.
The Secretary of the Police Bazaar Welfare Society, Devendra Singhania, appealed to the state government to look into such cases and to take up the matter on a serious note, as this involves a busy public area. He also urged upon the state government to bring to book those involved and allow the law of the land to take its due course.
I was also not aware what has exactly happened. I heard a big sound when I was resting in my home. That was about 6:30, 6:45 in between. There was a big sound. Then we tried to contact people here and there, and we came to know that there was some sort of blast in front of Center Point new building, which we are standing right in front here now. The blast, the intensity was not very, very high, but still the intensity was there. Police has done a wonderful job. I, on behalf of Police Bazaar Welfare Society, thank the police department for their efficient work, and whole night they were working on and doing the investigation regarding the bomb blast, and till morning also the investigation continued till 2 o'clock, and at 2 o'clock the investigation was concluded and the road was opened back for the public to come in. See, our humble request is that there should be peace and tranquility among the different sections of people, and whoever are responsible for the blast should be booked under the law of the land and should be put behind bars. This is our simple appeal to the government of Meghalaya, that they should take up the matter on a very serious note, because this is a business hub and people coming from outside the state first come to PB, and if we have such things happening in the heart of the town, people will afraid themselves to come to the areas because of this unwanted situation which has developed.